Rob and I are in here sanding some drywall, and he brought over this pretty cool Ryobi palm sander. I'm going to show it to you real quick. So there's this battery-operated Ryobi palm sander, and if you watch the channel, I got a ton of Ryobi tools too. They work pretty good. It's got this little catch bag on it, so it'll catch, the plywood particles or drywall particles or whatever it is you're sanding, and you twist it off, and you can empty it out. It takes a battery right here, Ryobi battery. We've got a bunch of these things at this point because we have a ton of the tools. And it takes a 5-inch sanding disc. And the thing goes right along. So there's a button right here that kicks it on, and we're going to show Rob using this thing in action.
That thing works awesome. A lot of stuff to sand.
So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of this video over to the tool. Ryobi didn't give this to us. It's a tool that Rob had, and I thought it was kind of neat, so I just wanted to show you guys how it worked. And so in case you guys are thinking about buying one or actually banging out, this home renovation that I'm doing on my dining room wall, if you've been following the channel, this wall got water damaged, restudded it, and drywalled it, put some insulation, and did the whole wall over. And so if you have any questions about the tool, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and thanks for checking us out.